If you have pets, kids, or just unlucky carpets, stains can become a nightmare fast. But this cordless portable cleaner from Shark claims it can remove stains, odors, and dirt in minutes. So, does the Shark StainForce actually work? Or is it just another overhyped cleaning gadget? Today, we're putting it to the test. This is the Shark StainForce Cordless Spot Cleaner HX100 UKCP. It's a lightweight portable carpet and upholstery cleaner designed for carpets, sofas, stairs, car interiors, pet accidents, and quick emergency cleanups. Inside the box, you get the cordless cleaner itself, multiple cleaning attachments, a storage caddy, and 2 bottles of Shark cleaning solution. And if you want to check out the latest price at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below. First up, the classic coffee spill. This is where portable cleaners either impress or completely fail. The Shark sprays cleaning solution deep into the carpet fibers, then immediately extracts dirty water back into the tank. And honestly, the results here are surprisingly good. Even older stains look noticeably lighter after a single pass. For pet owners, this might actually be the biggest selling point.